Barbara from Ferdinand Dragonflies. Thank you for stopping by. Today, as you can see from the title, I wanted to share an unboxing with you. This is from the little stamp store. It's a subscription box. I will link it below, and you get a box every 3 months only. So if you are one of those people that are overwhelmed by getting more stuff every month, this might be the right box for you. And I am not sponsored by them. I'm just enjoying the second box that I'm getting from them. So let us see what's inside. Oh, I love this box already. Look at this very, very cute design on the front. Oh. Okay, so there's a little card which has some details. Fabric paint. Okay, so if you want to read this, I will hold this. You could just pause the video. And it has her email address on it. This is very cute. So, ooh, there is a big, big bee on this clear stamp. So I will demonstrate this at the end to see. I'm guessing it's the same one as here, which is awesome. So let's see what else there is. Oh, look at these adorable envelopes. Oh my God, there's a pack of, I don't know, 30 maybe, roughly estimated. So that is so cute. And how thin this twine is. Oh my God, this is adorable. And this, yeah, this is this is a spoon to melt your wax, which was actually part of a previous box that I hadn't gotten because I had subscribed later. So in my first unboxing, there were these wax pellets, and I didn't really know what to do with them, so they were really sweet and offered me to include this in this month's box, which is actually the July box. So that is so awesome. Then there's this cute little, there's a cute little bag with a tag out of vellum and a little stamp, which has the and sign. Oh, this is so cute. I'm sorry, you're gonna be hearing that a lot, but I can't help it. I'm such a stamp freak. Oh, and these are these, what do you call these? Wait, do they have them here? Yeah. I have no idea what you call these in English. So, yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt it. So there's 2 of these, and it looks like they're 2 different sizes. So, I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but we will try it at the end. Then, ooh, that is neat. So there's fabric paint, a little tube of black fabric paint, and a little, whatchamacallit? I forgot what they're called. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I knew what this was called. Well, but you can see. So you know what it is for spreading the paint. Wow. And then this is a card from them. Looks like it's their business card. So that's that, if you want to take a look. There's some packaging. There's this stamp from this card that I showed at the beginning. So that's this one. Awesome. So I don't have to try this out because, as you can see, it's there. And then we have a little, not so little, a bag. Nice. Oh, I get it. You're supposed to do this on the bag. Aha. Okay, that I will have to try another time because I don't have enough time to try that out now. And there's an acrylic block, a very thin one. Oh, this is, I get it. So you put the paint on here and then you roll it, and then I'm guessing you stamp it You put your stamp in it and then you stamp that onto your fabric. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I love this. And then there's this thing. It looks like this is, yeah, so it's it's so cute. It's for making jam or preserving jam. So these are the, sorry for the rattling. So these are already pre-stamped, or one of them is. So it has a strawberry on it. And you put these on the lids of jars. And oh, they included the strawberry stamp. How cute. And then they even included some nice black rubber bands that you put around this to secure the fabric on the lid. And they included, what a hard word, these labels which say strawberry jam. There's 3 of these. You can put that on the side of the jar. This is so cute. There's 2 more rubber bands. And there is another card from the little stamp store. Some information here if you want to pause it and have a look. Alrighty. Oh, I love it. So, as promised, let's try these stamps, but I'm going to try it on regular paper. So I just have some regular white paper here. And I'm just going to try these now with the regular ink. So I have some archival ink here. Sorry for the glare. And so let's first try the little strawberry. Oh, so cute. So let's try that. And it's smudged because of my nail got in the way. Let me try that again. And I smudged it again. But anyway, look, it's a really nice clean stamp. So adorable. So next, let's try the huge bee. Very curious about this one. Wow, I don't think I've ever had a stamp this big. So let's just ink it up. Is anyone else as stamp obsessed as I am? All right, let's see this. Okay, it's a bit faded in the middle. I don't think I pressed enough in the middle, but basically this is it. Oh my god, I love this. This is going to be awesome for journaling as well. And let me try this thing. Okay. Aha, so this is just the outside of the thing. So you can just do several next to each other. You can play around. And of course I'm doing it crooked, but if you took the time to line them up, you can make an awesome design with these. And then let's try the other one. I'm going to take this sticky part off. And that seems like that might be a solid one. So let's take it off. Put this one there. Ink it up. And let's put it here. Yeah, so this is a solid one. Let's see if we can put this inside this and see. Oh, that's not very smart because that's just gonna fill out the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, there wasn't much point in doing that. But so you can either have just the outside outlining, or you can have the full inside. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I will be using these in my journal with me for sure. So have a look out for those. And as mentioned, I will link everything below so you can check out their boxes if you wish. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.